Dear students, today we start chapter 3 Properties of a Triangle. Opposite sides and opposite angles. Here, triangle ABC and side AB, opposite angle of AB is angle C. Side BC. Opposite angle is angle A. Not touching side BC. AC. Opposite angle of AC is angle B. Angle. Opposite sides. Angle A. Angle A, opposite side is BC. Angle B, opposite side is AC. And angle C, opposite side is in AB. Activity 1. Some triangles with different measurements are given. Measure the lengths of the sides and angles opposite to them in the triangles. Fill them in the given table 1 as shown. Table 1. Figure number 3.2, name of the triangle, measure of the sides. Measure of the opposite angles. Sides in descending order, angles in descending order. Measures of figure 3.2 is given. Now we can measure figure 3.3. First we will measure length of sides with the help of scale. PR 5.3, PQ 4 centimeter, QR also 4 centimeter. Write in table PR 5.3 centimeter, QR 4 centimeter and PQ is also 4 centimeter. Now measure the angles with the help of protractor. For measure angle P, we keep midpoint of protractor at point P and 0, 0 line. Adjust at line segment PR. Line segment PR in right side. So we take right side 0. That means inner scale. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. Angle P is 50 degree. This P is 50 degree. Now measure angle R. This time line segment PR in left side, so we use left 0, outer 0, outer scale. Outer scale 50 degree. Angle R 50 degree. Abhi in this time line segment touches inner 0, so we read inner scale. Inner scale 80 degree. Fill the measures. Angle P 50 degree, angle R 50 degree and angle Q 80 degree. Descending order. Largest side is PR. QR and PQ are same. So anyone write QR and equal to PQ. Angles. Angle Q is largest angle. Then angle P and angle R are same. Similarly, we can measure angles and sides of figure 3.4 to 3.7. Now, observe the above table and answer the following questions. Is the angle opposite to longest side the largest? From the table, we see that the angle opposite to longest side is largest. Yes, the angle opposite to the largest or longest side is the largest. Is the angle opposite to smallest side is smallest? Yes. Is the side opposite to the largest angle the largest? Yes. Is the side opposite to the smallest angle the smallest? Yes. Are the angles opposite to the two equal sides equal? Yes. What is the relation between the sides and their respective opposite angles? We find that the largest side has largest angle opposite to it and vice versa. Similarly, the smallest angle has the smallest side opposite to it and vice versa. And equal sides have equal angles opposite to them. In the same manner, side opposite to equal angles are also equal. इस एक्टिविटी से कंक्लूजन निकलता है कि लार्जेस्ट साइड का ऑपोजिट एंगल लार्जेस्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट साइड का ऑपोजिट एंगल स्मॉलेस्ट, लार्जेस्ट एंगल का ऑपोजिट साइड लार्जेस्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल का ऑपोजिट साइड स्मॉलेस्ट और इक्वल साइड का ऑपोजिट एंगल इक्वल, इक्वल एंगल का ऑपोजिट साइड इक्वल रहता है. एक्सरसाइज 3.1. इन ए ट्राइंगल इक्वल साइड्स हैव, कंक्लूजन में अभी हमने देखा इक्वल ऑपोजिट एंगल. इफ ए ट्राइंगल हैज टू इक्वल एंगल्स देन इट इज कॉल्ड आइसोस्केल्स ट्राइंगल. क्यों? क्योंकि टू इक्वल एंगल है तो उसके अपोजिट साइड भी क्या होंगे, सेम होंगे, और टू इक्वल साइड्स वाले ट्राइंगल को आइसोस्केल ट्राइंगल कहते हैं. इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल हैज 3 equal angles and measure of each angle is 60 degree. In the isosceles, in an isosceles triangle, if one angle is 100 degree, then the other two equal angles are, we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. One of them is 100, so remaining two angles, measure of two remaining angles is 80 degree. And since they are same, so both are 40 degree and 40 degree. The largest angle in a triangle has the largest opposite side. The smaller angle in a triangle has the smallest side opposite of it. Question 2. Complete the table given below. ABAC is equal to 4. Two sides equal, their opposite angles are also equal. Opposite angle of AB is C and opposite angle of AC is B. That means angle B and C are same. B and C are same. Two angles 50-50 degree, their total is 100. So third angle is 180 minus 100, 80 degree. Second, PQ is equal to QR. Opposite of PQ is R and opposite of PR is Q. R and Q are same. R and Q are same, 45 degree. 45 plus 45, 90. टोटल 180 होता है, उसमें से टू एंगल 90, तो थर्ड एंगल 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. DE and DF are same. D opposite F, DF opposite is E. F and E are same. E and F are same. 84 degree. 180 minus 84 is 96. These two angles are same and equal to 96. So each of them is 96 divided by 2. That means 48 and 48. LM, MN and L all sides are equal. So their opposite angles are also equal. That means LM N equal to L equal to M. Sum of all angle is 180 degree. 180 degree and all angles are same. So each angle is 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. Question number 3. In triangle XYZ given below, write the name of equal sides and determine the third angle. Here wrong, small or no. नाम में हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर यूज़ करते हैं पॉइंट्स में, X, Y एंड कैपिटल Z. Solution third. X, Y, Z. 40 degree, 40 degree. Given angle X equal to angle Z. So opposite side of angle X is YZ and opposite side of angle Z is XY. So name of equal sides are YZ and XY. We know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equal to 180 degree. Angle X 40 degree, angle Y, angle Z is also 40 degree. Angle Y plus 40, 80 degree. In class 6, we have learned how to solve linear equation. 80 transpose to right side. 180 degree minus 80 degree. So angle Y is 100 degree. Question number 9. In the figure given below, AB is equal to AC, and if angle B is twice of angle A, then determine all three angles of the triangle. Solution number 9. Given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and angle B is twice means 2 times of angle A. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. So, opposite angle of AB is angle C equal to opposite angle of side AC is angle B. Angle C equal to B. Value of B is 2 angle A. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is 2 angle A. Angle C 2 angle A, 180 degree. 1, 2, 2. 5 angle A is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 5 to right side, 180 degree upon 5. Angle A equal to 36 degree. So angle B is 2 angle A, that means 2 multiplied by 36 equal to 72 degree, and angle C 2 angle C equal to angle B equal to 72 degree. Thus, angle A equal to 36 degree, angle B 72 degree, and angle C is also 72 degree. Question number 10. In figure, triangle PQR is given with its 3 angles. Which are the 2 equal sides of the triangle? Name the largest side. 10. P R Q. 43 degree, 43 degree and 94 degree. From figure, angle P is equal to angle R. So, opposite side of angle P, QR, equal to opposite side of angle R, PQ. So, equal sides are QR and PQ, and largest side is PR. Reason: opposite side of largest angle is largest side. So largest side is PR. We know that opposite side of largest angle is largest. Question number 11. If three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4, find all its three angles. रेशो वाले क्वेश्चन में ध्यान दीजिए, रेशो वाले क्वेश्चन में जो भी नंबर हो उनमें आप x लगा करके उसको सॉल्व करिए. लेट द थ्री एंगल्स ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल are 2x, 3x and 4x respectively. Then 2x plus 3x plus 4x equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9x 180 degree. X equal to 180, 9 transpose to right side. X equal to 20 degree. So first angle x equal to 20 degree. Second angle 2x, 2 into 20 equal to 40 degree, and third angle 3x, 3 into 20 equal to 60 degree. Thanks for watching my video.